This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com for March 6th, 2019. Let's take a look at the PGJ, the ETF that tracks the Chinese market, and I'm going to draw two lines. The first line is a backtest line, like that, which is suggesting that we can anticipate either a breakout or resistance on this line here, with a backtest failure being confirmation of a possibility of a swing trade low. There is also another line, and we can draw it as such, something like that. And what this line gives us is, you can see here, good support and a nice entry here for a bullish move higher. We have a break of this line here, which led to this bearish period in 2008, early 2009. We have another bearish break here on the line, which led to this drop zone. We did recapture the line here, this recent drop. So you can get what I'm trying to say here is, if this ends up also being confirmed as resistance, oh, by the way, this is a monthly chart. So if this monthly resistance is confirmed, chances are we are looking at markets that are positioning themselves for the next meaningful direction to be lower. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ERCS.